To excelfornoobs.com. What I'm going to do here is a quick tutorial on how to create a Gantt chart using Microsoft Excel. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is enter in your data just as I have it entered in here. You can see I have a column for our task, for the start date, the days completed, and the days remaining. You can see I have our labels, and then I have our data entered into each label. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to create a Gantt chart is you're going to click off into a blank cell. You're going to click the Insert tab and go over here to the Insert Column or Bar Charts, and I want you to select a stacked 2D bar chart or 3D bar chart, whatever you prefer, but it needs to be a sideways stacked bar chart. Okay, you're going to see that a blank chart appears. Now you're going to right click inside the chart. You're going to click on Select Data. The Select Data Source dialog box will appear. Right here in Legend Series group, you're going to click on Add, and then the Edit Series dialog box will appear as so. Inside your series name, you're going to click on Start Date for your first series, and your series values are going to be the dates that your projects are that each task within your project is going to start. Click OK. And then again, you're going to see the box. Click the Add button, and just as you did with the Start Date series, you're going to click on Days Completed, and then you're going to enter in your Days Completed values. You're going to select the entire range of cells, even the dates that are empty, even the cells that are empty. Click OK, and then again you're going to click on Add, and you're going to add your days remaining, and you're going to again select your values for your series values and press OK. Now over here in the horizontal axis, click on Edit, and now you'll just select your task. Click OK. And now you can close this out by clicking OK. Okay, so there we have a start. You can see a few problems here. You can see that our date goes all the way back to April, but our project doesn't start till November. And you can see it kind of causes a problem with the scale of our chart. Also our task. You see task 1 is at the bottom, but we want task 1 to be at top. So I'm going to show you how to solve these two problems. The first thing you need to understand about dates is that Excel recognizes dates as a serial number system. So November 1st is actually recognized as a number. So you can see I'm going to copy the date November 1st, and I'm going to paste it into a blank cell. Okay, now in that cell where I just pasted the date, I'm going to come up here in my numbers group, and I'm going to format the number to general. Now you can see that 42,675 is the serial number that is assigned to November 1st, 2016. Okay, so now that we know that, you're going to take your mouse and select your horizontal axis, and I want you to right click and then click on Format Axis. Okay, right here where it says minimum, I want you to enter in, you can enter in the exact number that your project's going to start, which is ours 42,675, or you can do a little bit earlier, 670. And that's going to give you an earlier date. Basically, the smaller you make the number, the earlier, the further over your chart's going to start, or the further back in time your chart will reflect. Okay, so now we have our date fixed. I can go ahead and close this out, and let's stretch my chart out a little bit. Now let's go ahead and fix our problem with the task. Again, let's select our vertical axis, right click, and select Format Axis. Okay, over here, the Format Axis dialog box slides out. I want you to click on Categories and Reverse Order. Alright, so we have that done. Now we're going to close it out. Okay, now we're going to select our, remember you can select certain elements within the chart. So we're going to select our start date part. Right there you can see as I select it that the start dates appear. That's what this part of the chart refers to. That element of the chart refers to. I'm going to right click, and up here you can see this fill box pops up. I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'm going to select no fill because we don't need our start dates to show. We only want the days completed and the days remaining of each task showing. And there you can see that we have an easy to create Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. And remember, you can also add your chart elements such as titles, data labels, tables, or whatever you need to do. But there you have it. That's how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel 2016. I do have a more complex Gantt chart tutorial where you don't have to enter in your days remaining and the days completed manually. It'll do that by using formulas in Excel, and it's going to be automated. You enter the project, the expected days remaining, and the days completed, and it will automatically calculate everything for you. There's no need to continue updating it. It does the work for you. So be sure to go through my YouTube videos and find that tutorial. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and it was useful and helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please check out a lot of my other videos. Like and share and comment, and the more interaction and the more videos you watch, the better ranking my videos will get on the YouTube search engine. And this is for free, so that's the one way that you can repay me, is by helping me get my videos ranked higher. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.